Are you ready to navigate the exciting world of the transfer portal in college football 25? Whether you're a player looking for new opportunities or a fan wanting to stay updated, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to a successfully transfer in the game. Engaging opening. Welcome back, gamers. Today we are diving into the transfer portal features college football 25. This is your chance to reshape your team and enhance your gameplay. Let's get started. Accessing the transfer portal. First, navigate to the main menu and select the transfer portal option. This is where all the action happens. Understanding the timeline. Keep an eye on the dates. The portal opened on December 9 and closed on December 28. Make sure to check back frequently during this window for updates. Evaluating players. Browse through available players who have entered the portal. Look for key positions that can fill gaps in your roster. For instance, quarterbacks like Malik Murphy and defensive backs like Zion Branch are making headlines this season. Making your move. Once you find a player that fits your needs, initiate contract. Use your team's resource wisely to make an attractive offer that includes playing time and potential nil benefits. Finalizing transfers. After negotiations, finalize your transfer decisions before the portal closes. This is crucial as it directly impacts your team's performance in upcoming matches. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize the transfer portal in college football 25 to build a powerhouse team. Remember, staying updated and proactive is the key to success in the dynamic environment. So gear up, make those transfers and dominate the field. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you want more videos, please hit the notification bell for more tips. Thank you.